So, hello Yannick.
Hello there. Hello Denmark. Hello Scandinavia.
We are now here in Belgium with Yannick de Ridder. And Yannick, what is this bird?
Here we present today Lizard King Kittel, our new superstar. He was first national ace pigeon KBDB 2021. Best coefficient ever since Kittel. He broke the Kittel record. It's half Van den Broek, mother side, original bred by Dirk Van den Broek himself, out of a granddaughter Kittel, coupled to a full brother to the machine. So very, very, very close inbred Kittel, because the machine is bred from grandson Kittel coupled to sister Kittel, and this pigeon again coupled to granddaughter Kittel. So the mother is very, very, very close inbred to the famous Kittel. This is the champion himself, Mr. Blizzard King Kittel. Blizzard because of the color.
Yeah.
King Kittel because he beat the Kittel. He's the king of the Kittel. Super wing on him. The results he performed in the interprovincial release from Noyon are unseen. Every week he finds his way home in a 50, 60, 70,000 pigeon release.
Yeah.
Very smart, very dedicated.
But how is he built? How can you describe?
He's a typical Van den Broek. He has the triangle shape, as you can see. It's 100% triangle shape. He has a wide back and a one-tail feather.
Yeah.
Very wide back and a one-tail feather. Unbelievably soft feathers. The quality of the feathers, one of my main points to select a pigeon, the quality of the feathers. A beautiful wing. The last feather covering almost completely the first one.
Yeah.
So a super wing. Beautiful yellow eye. That's a little bit different. The most Kittels have the white eye, but they have the yellow eye. And the muscles, up front body, good muscles.
Yeah.
Not too short, a good body, and for sure a very, very good character. This is what Kittel was doing.
Yeah, I remember watching Kittel here.
Yes, exactly the same. It's like a reincarnation of
Yeah.
the Kittel.
Yeah.
He became KBDB champion the year the Kittel died.
Yeah.
So here we present Blizzard King Kittel, KBDB first national ace pigeon, KBDB first provincial ace pigeon, world's best pigeon #1 young bird, over 66 countries. Everyone can participate. This is the best young bird, and I think 11th overall all bird yearlings youngsters together.
Yeah.
Second Olympic champion for Belgium.
But how are you breeding with him?
You have several hens, and every time the hens will get inseminated on a regular basis.
Yeah.
So it's very easy to breed. Normally he has a hen, he's sitting the eggs, he breeds his youngsters himself.
Yeah.
And then the other hens are inseminated.
So I have a question here. They ask how much you charge for the young birds, but maybe they should ask you directly.
Yeah,
or?
they can ask you after the.
Yeah.
After.
And also this weekend there are two for sale at the Golden 10.
For 2022 we are completely sold out, booked out already. Huge waiting list for 2023 also. But a rare opportunity is the two pigeons that we have for sale in the Golden 10 this weekend. A cock and a hen, direct children of Blizzard.
Yeah.
The hen is Blizzard coupled to a daughter Kittel Rosita, and the cock is Blizzard coupled to Kittel New Golden Lady. New Golden Lady and Kittel, this pair is responsible for the second and the third ace pigeon in Holland, national PIPA ranking for the young birds. Also responsible for many other results, but that is a very, very good pairing. Many results with Kittel coupled to New Golden Lady. So the cock is coupled, Blizzard coupled to Kittel New Golden Lady, and the hen is Kittel Rosita. So let's hope for a good result
Yeah.
from this champion here.
He's so lovely.
He's has the mind of a human being. He can read and write. Very active. Never stands still. Let's hope for a new Kittel.
Yes, I wish you all the best for this one. Can you show us the one you have for sale also from New Kittel?
From new Kittel, yes, of course. Yes.
I will just wait here.
I can go get him. He's in the breeding loft.
Yes. So Yannick is also sending one from New Kittel on the auction. Hello.